Hello and welcome to IENA Ayurveda. So what exactly is Ayurvedic beauty? Herbs which are used in process with proper percentage of extraction while making skin and hair care products is known as Ayurvedic beauty. Remember that every brand that just writes Ayurveda is not purely Ayurveda. We at IENA Ayurveda make sure that the art of our Ayurvedic aesthetic beauty cures skin problems like acne, pimples, skin tanning, wrinkles, etc. and make your skin naturally glowing. We have thousands of herbs like Shalmali, Kumari, Manjista, Ashwagandha, Belpan, Tulsi, Neem, etc. are used in higher percentage when we are processing our products. As the products penetrates into the skin, the result is very naturally glowing skin beauty. We also have facility where you can test and try our products at IENA outlet. So I, Bhavita Soni, welcome you to IENA Ayurveda outlet to personally experience the art of Ayurvedic aesthetic beauty products. Thank you.